Okay, this is my review on the water pump for the power washer. And I'm gonna be very honest with you, this is the first time I've ever installed a water pump on a power washer. It is simply 3 bolts. There's one here, one in the front, one in the back here, and then there's another one in the front. My original ones were 13 millimeter. The ones that it came with, these are 13 millimeter as well. They came with longer bolts because this washer pump is a little bit thicker than my original one. It does come, instead of this connection right here that connects like a hose screw connection, it comes with this connection originally. There is a 10 millimeter bolt up top. You can see just a little bit. You remove that, you can unscrew this piece and you can put in a different piece if you have your original one from your original power pump motor before it blew out. So far, I just fired it up. That's why it's a little wet. It works great. I'm very happy with it. So if you are looking to keep your power washer, even though you blew out the water pump, check out this direct replacement. It works great.